So one of the visuals we can draw in NVivo, for example, we are on financial issues. If I right click here and I go to visualize, okay, I select on visualize, then I go down to hierarchy chart of codes. Okay, I select this option, hierarchy chart of codes. I will get a tree map. This is called a tree map. And then if you look at the options here on the top where we have a tree map, and I click on the down arrow, I click on the second option, a sunburst. So you get a sunburst like this. If I click inside the sunburst, I'm going to have this hierarchy chart, which is one of the visuals that you can make in NVivo. So after you complete developing your codes, you can visualize your data using a hierarchy chart like this. Again, using this menu at the top left, we can change the color to, I go down until I get black and white, so we can change the color. So these are some of the financial issues that contribute to stress among pregnant mothers in urban low income areas. So joblessness, lack of sufficient financial support, inability to provide for other children, and lack of stable source of income. Again, after we visualize, we can press Ctrl Shift and E and we can save this in our folder. So let's give it the number 1 and save that. It will be saved as an image, and if you double click on this folder, so this is the image that we just exported, which we can use in our report. So one way to visualize in NVivo is to use a hierarchy chart. Another